how to subscribe to a YouTube channel via RSS. If you want to subscribe to just one channel, you want to follow these steps. First of all, you just want to go to the YouTube channel you want to subscribe. Then you just want to inspect the source code of the channel itself. And the reason why we're doing this is because we're looking for a very specific string of code. We're going to look for it by clicking F3. And we're going to look for this thing right here of a video. We're going to look for external ID. You can copy this from the description. And there'll be a bunch of gibberish after the external ID. It'll look just like that. You want to copy that. And then you want to go to this website. It'll be in the description as well. And you just want to add the bunch of gibberish that you found after the equals sign. And it'll basically look like this. Like that. And you just copy paste this link onto your RSS program. It'll work. If for some reason you're not able to get this link because of your browser or whatever, it's not able to copy or open, you can just go to the short link that I made, is that one on screen. But what if you want to subscribe to a YouTube channel via RSS and you're not on your computer and you're on your phone, specifically your Android phone? This can be actually really easy. We're gonna download an app that allows you to view videos from YouTube, and one of its features is that you can subscribe via RSS, but it's not actually available on the Play Store because it doesn't show ads when you use NewPipe, the app that we're gonna get. When you use NewPipe, you don't actually see any ads, and that's the reason why it's not on the Play Store. It's pretty cool. You can find it on the F-Droid store. You just go to f-droid.org, copy it from the description as well. Once you download the F-Droid store, you just click the search icon. Just look for NewPipe. Install that app, and once it's done, you just open it, click the search icon, look for the channel you want to subscribe, and just click the RSS link right here, and it'll send you to this page. This is actually the same page that you will get if you do all of this messy steps. It's much easier to do on phone. All right, and that's just if you want to subscribe to one YouTube channel. If you actually want to import all of the YouTube channels that you have already subscribed to your RSS feed, you can do that as well. It's really easy. Just log into YouTube. Once you're logged in, just go to this link. There's a short link for that as well. And yeah, once you go to that link, it'll just allow you to download the XML file. You can just import that into your RSS client and it'll work. And you can also kind of do the same thing on your Android using NewPipe. Just go to subscriptions, import from YouTube. It'll give you basically the same instructions I just gave you, but it's just a bit easier because you don't have to type this in or copy this. You can just tap right there. Yeah, before just the video ends, let me just show you how it's done. So this is my channel. Let's say they want to subscribe to this channel via RSS. So again, we're gonna view the source code. And there we go, we have a bunch of mess. I'm gonna hit Control F. Here we go. Just hit Control F so we can search for something. We can type whatever and it'll look for it. So this is all the YT. We want to look for the specific string. The external ID will be in the description. Just search for that, and there we go. just after the external ID, there is this string of text. Let me copy that, paste it, browser. Remember that we have to also go to this website and paste the code that we find just after the equals sign. So let me here go at the beginning and paste it. There we go. Just hit enter and you're at the RSS link. You can use this to subscribe to your YouTube channel. And if you want to subscribe, import all of your subscriptions, just go to your YouTube page. Then just go to this link. It'll be in the description as well. Take out link, just copy that, and just paste it here. And there we go. I'll just get prompted to save my subscriptions. I'll just save it and import it on my RSS. There we go. That's basically it.